you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you.
Every second, every minute, man, I every second, every minute, man, I every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Jeans tight, high heels, this is how you make me feel. Lips gloss, teeth white, apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night, catch a flight, we can do a bunch of light. Feeling right, you smelling good, let's get this understood.
If you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up.
Y'all, I'm over here looking like Sanaa Lathan from Love and Basketball over here, but I am just getting ready for my week. You know, I didn't really feel like in a talking mood, so I'm not really talking that much today, but just trying to get my goals together for the week, be productive and not feeling like, okay, I'm so used to routine, but like not taking care of the things that I need to take care of, if that makes sense. Or just like end of the week, it feels like, okay, there's literally nothing that I've done and nothing to account for. So I am packing my gym bag right now to work out. So come pack my gym bag for me. But yeah, so it's about 9:54 right now. I think I'm gonna lay it down. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Monday, March 3rd, and I am in the office, unfortunately. Stuff that I had to carry. I'm tired. It's cold. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm in Chicago and it's 50 degrees to us. It's like barbecue weather, going out grilling. Yeah. But yeah, it's Monday. I hope you guys have a productive day. I'm only carrying all this stuff because I'm like, yesterday I was feeling super sluggish. And I haven't been working out. Usually when I don't work out, I feel really tired, feel low energy. So we gotta get back in the gym. So I'm gonna go to the gym after work. I will check back in with y'all a little later. I hope y'all have a productive day.
I just wanna take you I just wanna take you
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell her dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
We made it to the midday mark. We ready to go work out.
feel JP. My neck, my back,
So
my back,
buttery brown.
my neck, my back, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
So
my back.
buttery brown. Oh my, oh my,
My neck, my back, my back,
oh
my neck, my back, my back, 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 my neck, my back, my back.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you
Coming out of my shirt.
Morning. Today is Wednesday, March 5th. But yeah, I am working from home. Finally, I'm so happy. Working out has been helping with my energy. I am sore, but it's like a good sore. You know how like when you work out, you're like, okay, yeah, I'm feeling good. So gotta keep the momentum. I promised myself I'm gonna try to work out like 4 times a week, and it's been very hard to stay consistent with that just because it's just been stuff coming up. Like I've been having trips. I went to Napa a couple of weeks ago, and just things that I have to do. So managing that is just like really hard. Trying to stay committed to myself this 2025, this year. I just want to feel comfortable with my clothes. So yeah, I encourage y'all to get out, to move, you know, just get out the house if you are in the house, if you know, moving around, but just also like just stay consistent to yourself and your goals and what you have in your mind, because nobody's gonna do it. Nobody's gonna wake up and give me this beautiful body that I want. So at the end of the day, nobody's gonna do it for you. So we all gotta do this together. I really don't like to record when I'm working out just because I like to lock in when I'm working out. And then also, like, I'm not super experienced. I am not no trainer. I'm not trying to tell y'all to do what I do, but I just know what works for me. I use an app that I pay for called Fitbod. It's good. It's really good. Like I rate what muscles I want to target. Like for example, today I'm targeting like my upper body, my chest, shoulders, upper back, abs, and stuff like that. Like longer than 45 minutes you can. You could do like up to, I think you could do like even 15, as low as 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes. I actually ended up having to pay for it. I accidentally paid for it because I was trying to end up doing like a free trial, and then they charged me. So yeah, I'm locked in for the year now. But yeah, I like it. It keeps me consistent, because you know how some people, like, you know, I'm not a consistent, well, I like going to the gym, but I'm not one of them gym girlies that know a consistent schedule, you know, parts of my body I want to work on. Like I'm very inconsistent as far as that. It's a great app for someone that doesn't know what they want to do in the gym, doesn't really know how to do workouts. It shows you videos, so not only it gives you workouts to do, but it also shows you a video of what to do, what's the proper form for things like that. So I love that. It helps, because at the end of the day, trainers are expensive as fuck. Like expensive as hell, and it really don't make no sense, because I work out at this gym, and you know how you sign up for a gym or whatever, and they give you like the free session. So I signed up for the free session or whatever, and of course after doing the free session, it was cool. But like when they broke down like how much it was going to cost and how consistently I wanted to come, like I think I was just doing like 3 times a week, and they were like basically $1,000, and I'm just like, you want me to pay at least my rent payment for working out? Like, huh? In this economy? Girl, yeah. But yeah, so we gotta figure out ways. I'm thinking like we gotta figure out ways to stay true to ourselves and, you know, find a deal, because paying somebody $1,000 is just not, it don't make sense to me. The math is not mathing, and I understand people got it, but like that just doesn't make sense to me, quite honestly. Because I feel like if I'm paying you $1,000, I should have a meal plan, and I should have you going to get my groceries. You need to be there in my beck and call when I'm ready to eat. And also, I need to have free workout, going into the gym and all that stuff. Like $1,000 should incorporate a lot for me, in my opinion. But that's just me, you know. Look, big money, y'all got it. If that's what y'all want to do, that's to each his own. Me personally, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm a DIY girly. Like I don't have time to be paying people unnecessary stuff. Like, and the thing is, it's like I don't mind paying for something that's expensive if it's worth it. Like for example, if it's like jewelry or like something that's like convenient, like a trip or something like that, something that's worthwhile of the experience and worthwhile for my convenience, me personally, that I value, I'm fine with it. But $1,000 just for something that I could find online, everything that I could find online, no, can't do it. But anywho, what do y'all do during the week? Like, how do you stay productive and feel like you've had a productive week? Are you one of the type of people to like plan everything out? Like I know De'Ara, she loves to have a to-do list, you know, just to keep herself organized. And I think that is really cool. But like sometimes people aren't really that organized, but they still want to feel productive. So give me some tips and tricks to stay organized with my flow, and let me know what y'all do. What do y'all do to feel productive during the week, to feel like, okay, I'm not just dragging in this day-to-day routine of going to work or picking up my kids or whatever the case may be. Like whatever you're doing, like let me know, please, because I just feel like this year, and I don't know, I mean every year, you know, you feel like you want to accomplish so much, you want to do so much and stuff like that, but like I really feel like this is the year for me to really dive in deep to what I want, like what I want to do, and stick to it. I'm tired of saying and wishing coulda, shoulda, woulda. I'm putting everything into action now. Everything that I want, I'm putting it into action. Last year I said I wanted to run on a marathon or go on like a run, and last year I went to a hot chocolate run in November, and it really brought out something in me. I don't know what it was, but I never thought I could run. I did, what did I do? Like a 5K? Oh wait, let me show y'all my medal. Got a medal. Hot chocolate run. I did 5K. I ran 5K, which was about a little over 3 miles. Let me tell you something. I am not a runner. I have never been. I've been like, no, I don't play that running shit. So for me to want to run is just crazy, and for me to actually run is crazy, and all because my friend, she was like, I'm gonna go on a run, like you should come too, and I'm just like, okay girl, I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk. Showed up. Why I run and leave her? Like why I felt the momentum and left her. I mean, I checked on her, like don't get me wrong, but like still, like it's just, I think I unlocked something in me. So now I want to keep doing that. Like I want to shock myself and come out of my comfort zone and do the things that like I think that I want to do in my head, but never felt like I can muster up the courage to do it. So I think I want to go on another run this year. Definitely want to stay consistent with working out. You know, just feeling good, looking good, loving myself. Like I'm in a relationship. I really want to pour into me. I think it's important, regardless of you being in a relationship, I think it's important to pour into yourself. Like, because at the end of the day, like, it's healthy, for one. You can't give your best self to nobody if you're not, you know, pouring into yourself. If you're not at your cup, your full cup, like my therapist always say, if your cup is full, how are you going to be able to manage and pour into anyone else's, because you just overflow? So that's my goal. Part of pouring into myself is pouring into my content creation. I know I used to be on YouTube a few years ago, and I was really consistent, and that was a time where I was like in college. I had no real job. Like I had a job, but like it was like working at like TJ Maxx and something like that. So it was like very inconsistent. Not non-salaried, it was hourly, no benefits pretty much. So I had so much time on my hands, and now like I have typical 9 to 5 where I feel like, oh my gosh, like I have no time for myself. But at the end of the day, regardless of the 9 to 5, I feel like you should always pour it into yourself. Like these companies are going to do whatever they want. So at the end of the day, you need to make sure that you're pouring into yourself, whether it's a company, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a friendship, whatever the case may be. Just always pour it into yourself. Like, because nobody's going to do it for you. That's the thing. And that's what I just keep reminding myself. Like, that's why I gotta stay true to myself. So this year I am letting y'all know, and y'all gonna hold me accountable. I hope you hold me accountable, but I am pouring into my content creation as well. I want to get back on YouTube. I am posting consistently on Instagram, on my Instagram stories at Melanated Bosh, and also on TikTok. My TikTok is Melanated Basha. And yeah, like I really would love for y'all to support me, let me know the things that you want to see, the things that, you know, you've always wanted to see from a regular girl, not no influencer or content creation. Like, what y'all want to do? Let's do it together. We are going to accomplish our goals together. So yeah, I hope y'all have a great Wednesday, and I will talk to y'all a little bit later.